How to fix Messenger switch account problem. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that the Messenger application is updated. So go to your App Store and then search Messenger. If it says update instead of open, just update the Messenger app. If it still doesn't work, you need to offload the app. To do this, just go to the settings, scroll down and click on General. From here, go to iPhone storage and just wait for it to load as it may take a while. After it's loaded up, just scroll down to Messenger, tap on it, and then hit the option to offload the app. This will clear the app's cache and data. After that, just reinstall the app again and check if it fixed the Messenger switch account problem. If it still doesn't work for some reason, the alternative way is to go to Facebook and switch your account from there. After you switch account on Facebook, tap on the Messenger icon on the top right and it should open up Messenger with the account logged in into the Facebook app. So that is how to fix Messenger switch account problem. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.